Welcome, are you ready to learn and solve math problems? Learn surprising patterns and simple techniques that will help you become a mathematical genius. Get ready to unlock the secrets of numbers and take your mathematical abilities to new heights. In this video, we are going to learn how to use greater than, less than, and equal to sign. I will also teach you some tricks on how to remember these signs. This is the greater than sign. An easy way to remember that the open mouth of the symbol is always facing the bigger number. Think this is an alligator. An alligator always open his mouth to eat more food. So, the number towards the open mouth should be the bigger number. This is the less than sign. An easy way to remember, if you turn the sign just a little, it will kind of look like an letter L, and L stands for less. When you use this less than sign, make sure the numbers behind the letter L should be the smaller number. Another easy way to remember by saying it as a close mouth. Now, in this situation, an alligator mouth is facing the opposite direction. So, the number towards the close mouth should be the smaller number. This is an equal sign. It is a symbol to show that numbers written on both sides are equal or the same numbers. Are you ready to do some practice questions? The number on the left is greater than the number on the right, and that is why an alligator is going to eat the bigger number. 56 is greater than 34. The number on the left is greater than the number on the right. Again, that is why an alligator is heading to eat the bigger number. 68 is greater than 49. The number on the left is smaller than the number on the right, and that is why an alligator is facing the opposite way. 38 is less than 46. The number on the left is smaller than the number on the right, and that is why an alligator is facing the opposite way. 52 is less than 73. The numbers on the both side are equal. That is why we will use the equal to sign. 23 is equal to 23. Thanks for watching.